Get ready for a game changer in the world of contactless payments. The future of shopping is about to get even more convenient, or so they say. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, has proposed a bold move, allowing banks and providers to set their own limits for contactless card payments, potentially making them unlimited. But here's where it gets controversial. Imagine being able to tap your card for any purchase, big or small, without the need for a PIN. From a quick supermarket run to a lavish family dinner, it could all be done with a simple tap. But wait, there's a catch. This proposal has sparked concerns among consumers and industry experts alike. With every increase in the contactless limit, fears of theft and fraud have risen. And this is the part most people miss. The FCA's own analysis suggests that raising the limits could lead to increased fraud losses. Despite these concerns, the FCA is pushing forward with its plans, even though the majority of consumers and industry respondents favor keeping the current rules. A whopping 78% of consumers who responded to the consultation said they wanted no change to the limits. So why the push for change? Well, the FCA argues that time is money, and reducing payment friction could be a worthwhile trade-off. They also believe that as prices rise and technology advances, this flexibility will become increasingly beneficial. Here's the kicker. The FCA expects banks to offer customers the option to set their own limits, giving individuals more control over their spending. But will this be enough to ease fraud and theft fears? Fraud and theft, a real concern? Absolutely. The idea of high-value payments being made with a simple tap raises valid concerns. Thieves and fraudsters could potentially target cards more easily. However, the FCA believes that improved detection systems and fraud prevention measures will mitigate these risks. A digital divide. Smartphones have already taken the lead in terms of security and convenience, with thumbprints and Face ID allowing limitless payments. Nearly 3/4 of 16 to 24-year-olds regularly use mobile payments, highlighting a generation gap in payment preferences. The bottom line. The FCA's proposal to remove the contactless limit is part of a broader strategy to stimulate the UK economy, responding to the Prime Minister's call for more economic growth. Other countries like Canada, Australia, and New Zealand already allow industry to set their own limits, so the UK is catching up with the times. The FCA will continue consulting on these proposals until October 15th. Leaving plenty of time for debate and discussion. So, what do you think? Is this a step towards a more convenient future, or a risky move that could backfire? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a conversation.